This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by pairing the controller. This gets you into gameplay fast. Make sure your iPhone is on iOS 13 or later, then open Settings and tap Bluetooth. Press and hold the controller pair button until the Xbox light flashes and watch your iPhone list the controller. Tap to connect. Once paired, confirm the controller shows as connected in Bluetooth and then launch Call of Duty. You're now ready to enable controller support inside the game and move on to configuration. Once done pairing, you configure controls so the inputs feel right. Open Call of Duty, navigate to Settings, then Controls, and turn controller support on. Choose a controller layout or custom map buttons to your preference. Make incremental sensitivity and dead zone changes, then test in a practice match to feel aim response and recoil control. If you notice odd behavior or lag, open the Xbox Accessories app to update controller firmware, or change Bluetooth settings to reduce interference. Make sure you save a profile you can reuse. You finish by validating everything works and saving your setup. Jump into a low-pressure match or training area, tweak final sensitivity and button bindings, then save that profile so you don't repeat steps. If the controller won't connect, forget it in Bluetooth, turn Bluetooth off and power cycle the controller by holding the Xbox button, then repair. For persistent latency, try a Lightning to USB adapter for wired play, update iOS and firmware, and reduce wireless interference for the smoothest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.